So everybody, what is going on, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. The big question is, how is the FIFA World Cup 2022 Qatar helping or not helping the crypto market, right? Or even equities? That is, from my personal opinion, and I've been saying that for a while in my channel, I really thought it was going to do much better, right? I'm not going to come here and lie to you or say otherwise, because crypto.com is the official sponsor and Algorand the official blockchain sponsor. I was like, okay, well, obviously I'm not expecting a 2x, 5x, whatever, but possibly 10% or some constant growth with some sell-offs here and there. But you know what happened? Because of the FTX collapse, because of the fear, the trust lost. Nothing's really happening. The kicking off of the World Cup, I did see a little bit, maybe less than 5% pump. Binance actually ramping up yesterday with a close to 19-18%, which really was nice. But the FIFA World Cup, it's good for entertainment purposes. I love it. It's winning, it's losing, it's been an amazing match finally after 4 years, much well deserved. But it's not doing anything for crypto. That's the answer. It's not doing anything for crypto. But let me be very clear, for price related purposes, because over 5 billion people, and it's getting more exciting in the FIFA World Cup right now, since Argentina lost and Germany lost and Portugal today almost loses against Ghana, and Mexico ties with the Polish people. So it's getting exciting. I'm sure that there's more people watching right now because it's everybody questioning who's going to pass or not. Those are the eyeballs. Now people are looking into crypto.com. And here I'm just going to talk about the company Crow, because he's the only one that's really being shared with Qatar Airlines, Coca-Cola, Adidas, and many more, the big top dogs. So we may not see the price increase. It's okay. It's not like Coke stock is through the roof right now, or Adidas stock is through the roof right now, but it's building that trust that people need to associate every single time they hear crypto. Because when you hear soda, what's the first company that comes to mind? Exactly. When you hear maybe luxurious or premier airline travel, obviously Qatar Airways is one that looks around or pops your head if you do travel. And when it comes to shoes, Nike and Adidas, right? So the same applies for crypto. The same applies for this idea of, when we talk about crypto now, when we are in a bull season ahead to the next cycle that we are finally bull, crypto.com is going to be in the mind of billions of people and say, you know what, let me go ahead and start my account there. Let me go ahead and use blockchain Algorand, because I saw a bunch of commercials of a bunch of banners if you are actually in Qatar, Doha right now. So you see, that is my opinion on the FIFA World Cup relationship with crypto and investing. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments right now, and let's go ClearCryptos. Don't forget to smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and turn on those notification bells, everybody. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.